The biggest reason why people fail at affiliate marketing is not lack of information, but it is because of shiny object syndrome. You try launching a blog for 3 days, then you switch to TikTok, then you try running ads, and before you know it, a year has passed and your dashboard is still crickets. It's still $0. And after that year, you are still feeling overwhelmed. You're exhausted from all the hype out there and you're terrified of wasting your time. If you want to build a reliable income, a reliable business, a compounding income, you have to stop jumping from one thing to another. You need an absolute singular focus. Do that enough, do that for a consistent period of time, it will show you results. So that's why today in this video, I'm going to give you that 30-day action plan, a step-by-step roadmap for introverts. Even if you're an introvert, even if you don't want to show your face, you can still do this. Absolute no DMs required, no camera, no high pressure sales calls. So let's get started. So this is going to be your week 1. And that the week 1 is entirely going to be building your digital real estate. Do not look for traffic yet, right? That is not your job. Do not worry about YouTube. Do not worry about YouTube or any platform yet. First, you need a place to send people to. Now, this first step itself is a hurdle for many, right? Most beginners are paralyzed by all this technical setup, then there is software costs. And in my opinion, you can completely bypass this. You can simply use, right? Nowadays, you have a lot of tools available and you can simply use a free tool called system.io, link in the description if you want it, right? But you can use this free tool, completely free tool. You do not need to pay for it. And then just create a 2-page funnel. That's right, a 2-page funnel. And I've shown you the example in my previous video. Go ahead and watch that. It will be in the description. All right. So you only need to create this 2-page. One is to collect the emails and the second page is to introduce your offer. That's it. Now, if you want to spend money, the only money I would spend on week number 1 is a $17 one time on a tracker, on a click tracker that shows you exactly from what source you are getting sales, from what videos, from what emails and such. But still, if you're brand new, you even do not need that because you are starting out, you do not have any sort of traffic yet for the tracker. So you don't even need that. But once you start making some sales, once you start getting some traffic, then yeah, invest $70 on a tracker. Anyway, it's still free, right? $0 cost. And do not overcomplicate this, right? You can use free tool like ChatGPT or Gemini to actually come up with headlines here and the copy to introduce your offer. Just use that. Just get started. Now, let's talk about week number 2. So now you have your basic funnel created, right? You have not selected the offer yet, but now you will go ahead and do the offer selection, right? Because you have the skeleton of the funnel ready above, right? Now, once you have your offer, you can edit that. You can go back and edit that in a matter of minutes. So week 2 is about placing the right offer into the infrastructure that we built above. And this is where most people get it wrong. What they do is they go ahead and grab a random $500 product from ClickBank, hoping of a high ticket commission like making $250 a pop, and then they try to send cold traffic to it. Not just any traffic, not warm traffic, but cold traffic. By the way, if you don't know what cold traffic means, that means these people that is coming to your order page, your sales page, have no idea who are you, have no idea what the product is about, right? So that's what we call the cold traffic. If you call you, that you coming, for example, you here watching this video coming to my pages, that will be a warm traffic because you have watched my video. You now know me. Even if you're brand new, you have watching this video for the first time. Now you still know me a little, right? From the video, you know my voice here. You know my photo from the thumbnail. So you still kind of know me, and that would be considered warm traffic. And people don't make the effort to do that. They just simply buy traffic from somewhere, send to a $500 page. And because of that, they make zero money because their conversion rate is 0. Why? Because they don't trust you yet, since they don't know you. So what do we do? Well, we need to first focus on finding an offer that is low ticket. right? That has very low barrier to entry. A $3 offer, $5 offer, $7 offer, $17 offer. People do not think much spending this much money. If you're sending people to a $3 offer, well, your conversion rate is gonna be something, even if you're sending cold traffic. Now, the reason why we are going with low ticket offer is because we want to filter people who are coming to our ecosystem, who are coming to our world, right? We need to identify serious buyers. But this $3, this $5 offer will not make us rich. They won't pay bills. So what should we do? Well, that $5 offer, for example, should send people to an ecosystem where there are multiple touch points. There could be a community here, right? There could be a course, a mini course, there could be a PDF document. So you're providing insane value that builds trust, right? This is a long process. This is not a short process. You're not going to make $500 tomorrow, right? But anyway, you got $5, right? That's great. You have a buyer into your ecosystem. Now they are in your world, in your ecosystem. So they are inside your community. If you have one, probably a school community, right? I don't have one, but yeah, a school community where you have a mini course, or you're directly sending to a mini course, you're directly sending to a PDF, a valuable PDF. And in all of this, or probably you have all of this, right? And these serves as multiple touch points that increases trust, right? And also a multiple touch point to an increased valued offer, right? An offer basically. And this offer could be of now $47. It could be of $47 per month, a recurring offer. It could be a high ticket offer, $500. So now since you have increased trust, there is much higher chances that they will convert higher, right? Increased trust, plus they are a buyer as well, right? They have put out their credit card, took out their credit card, purchased this offer, and are now in your ecosystem in here. So increase trust, right? You further increase the trust by giving them more value for just $5, and now they want to work with you. Probably you taught them something, and they want a done for you package that costs $500. If they like what they see, if they got the value, then chances are that they are most likely going to purchase that $500 offer. So your week 2 would be find an offer or find an ecosystem, right? Integrity driven, not just random, integrity driven ecosystem that's structured entirely like this. This makes your job so much easier, and you do not have to create community. So if, for example, you found an affiliate offer that does this, that has a low ticket, and then they have the community, they have the courses, they have the PDFs, they have everything, they respond to everything, and they have all these offers lined up over time, right? Over time, they are going to purchase this, right? So basically, this works as your automated salesman. So yeah, that's your job to week 2. So once you find an offer like this, you can integrate into the funnel that you build, the 2-page funnel that you build, right? Now, let's go to the next week. The week number 3, here is where everything starts, and that is your traffic engine. You have the funnel in place, you have the system, you have the ecosystem offer as well, right? Great affiliate offer. Now it's your job to feed that machine here, and that is to bring in traffic. Now, because we are building this for introverts like me, right? I don't like to create on social media platforms. I could on Instagram, I could show my face and do this and do that, but I don't want to go ahead and do this work that requires constant energy and get myself exhausted. I want to create simple videos that people are actually searching for, and the best platform to do that is YouTube, right? You can do anything, right? If you want to do Instagram, you can do that. TikTok, you can do that. If you want to go out there and build a blog, you can do that. Blog takes a lot of time, hell a lot of time. So if you're struggling, for a year or 2 years now, chances are that you are not going to do blogging. But yeah, that is still an option. Fastest way would be Instagram and TikTok, but you do need constant energy. You will get exhausted, but you still need to show up and keep continuing. Whereas YouTube, if you have a set schedule, you can easily create this type of content, long form content that I am creating. You can create simple review videos and make commissions day in, day out. But anyway, so we are going to focus on YouTube here, specifically YouTube search traffic, right? YouTube search traffic, because this will, once you put out the video, this is like the digital real estate. Once you put out the video, you will get traffic as long as that search term is getting searches. People are searching it. So yeah, YouTube is a search engine that is full of people who are looking to buy something, right? Not the cat one, right? People who are searching for cat videos are not going to buy anything, but people who are searching for reviews, people who are searching for tutorials about something, they are going to buy. They are basically buyers. They are, for example, they are typing in things like best funnel builders or searching for reviews of a new software that got launched. So your job on week 3 would be to record your screen. That's it. Record your screen and create simple videos. Again, it doesn't cost a thing. Only thing that will cost you money would be mic. Get a mic and get just $30, $50 mic that has good reviews, and that would enough. You do not have to have a whole studio here. I myself am using a $30 mic, which is fine. I forgot the model number, but if you want, let me know in the comment section and I will tell you that. But I think my sound quality is pretty good for a $30 mic. And as for a screen recorder, a screencast recorder, you can do that for free, right? You can simply use CapCut. I use Camtasia, but you can simply use CapCut. It is very powerful. You can use Microsoft Clipchamp. Like, there's tons and tons out there. I have even created a video about it. You can check that out as well. So yeah, your job on week 3 is to create 1 video or 2 videos depending upon the time. If you could do 5 videos, 10 videos, that is great. Right, week 3 there is like 7 days in there, so if you can create even 3 videos, like let's just say 3 videos, 1 video a day, so 3 videos would be a great starting point. This will build momentum for you. Now if you are a 9 to 5 worker, then probably 1 video, that probably you only have that time, but this will compound over time. Now let's talk about week number 4. So week number 4, now let me tell you that this week is going to be the hardest week for you. Why? Because there will be shiny object syndrome hitting you now, tries to creep back in and distract you, right? You have built the funnel, you have plugged in the offer, you have uploaded a few videos even on week 3. Now the initial excitement, this is the psychology here of every person here, the initial excitement of building these things are now gone. Probably you are only seeing a handful of views, probably 5 views, 10 views, 15 views, 20 views. You're only seeing this much views on your videos. And this is the exact moment 99% of people who start this give up. And then they go ahead and start looking for a new hack. These 30 days is actually a test. We can call it a 30-day test, right? Your only job in week 4 is to protect your focus and keep feeding the machine that we built here, right? We have took the effort and built our machine. Now our job is to actually feed it the fuel. You have uploaded few videos, 4 videos, 5 videos, and you got a handful views and you give up. Then what's the point? You simply wasted your time again. Now you're finding a hack here and you will just repeat the cycle. As I said, week number 4 is all about protecting that focus. Protect yourself from shiny object syndrome. Just continue what you did, right? Find another search term, research another search term, find another video topic, create the video and upload. Do that multiple times. You have to understand the math of compounding. 1 video, right? 1 video that you create is a single asset. 10 videos create a whole net. You do not need a viral video to make a steady income with YouTube. You just need a compounding library of helpful, logical videos that consistently feed 5 to 10 targeted leads a day into your automated backend that you built. The system works, but you have to let it work. So guys, if you just this is the sauce here, right? If you just let it work, if you just follow this whole blueprint, block out the noise, build the assets and let the system do the heavy selling for you, then you're golden. Then you are above those 99% of other people who are still struggling. Now, if you want to learn affiliate marketing the right way, if you want to find an offer that I talked about in here that does the heavy lifting for you, that does all these sellings, this $500, this recurring income that builds everything for you, then check the link in the description and learn about the backwards funnel. Watch the free training. It will be very, very helpful. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, let me know and I will see you in the next one.